Alrighty, Wednesday, December 16, 2020, 9:36 a.m. We are into overtime, day 31 of the challenge. Right now we have the S&P flat on the day, 36.86. Now it's about down a point. We're going to go short right here. We're going to short 5. Here we go. Okay, we are in. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, and we are short. Let's see the price. We got filled. We're short 5 at 36.85 and a half. Okay. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in our stop at 37.02 and a half. Okay. Alright, so our stop will be at 37.02 and a half. Okay. $37.02 and a half. Okay, and here you see what's going on. We're sitting at support. We broke through the green, the yellow, the blue line on the 30-minute, and we're still looking for that lower level. We had that crazy bounce, and actually, what does this look like? This looks like a roller coaster, huh? Up and down and up and down. See this? So it's been a little bit of an interesting ride. Okay, that's the story.
Alrighty, 1:11 p.m. Wednesday, December 16th, 2020. Here's what's going on. This is the daily chart. We see a high of 37.14 and 3/4. Not today. Today the high is 37.01 and 3/4, but the ultimate high has been 37.14 and 3/4. You see that on top of the screen. We see the market after hitting that high went to the blue line, found some support there, and now it's getting close to that high, but it seems like it has a lot of resistance there unless it solidly takes out that high with volume. That's the daily chart. Let's look at the 1-hour chart. Okay, the 1-hour chart right now, it looks ready to go back down. Okay, we've had a little bit of a rally not a little bit, we had a strong rally, but it does look like a roller coaster, as you can see if you look at how the market's been moving and the ups, the downs. It definitely looks like a roller coaster, and that's part of the reason why we're extending the challenge, because we take full responsibility for our results, good or bad, and we show you them. But at the same time, it has been a little bit of a roller coaster situation, and we feel that's important to keep trading on paper and show you our day-to-day progress or lack thereof, and show you how we get to our goals and break through them or not, and that's what we're doing. And then eventually we're going to go live, we're going to start our fund, and we're going to start building it up, and like I said, this is going to be the journey to the leading hedge fund. And it's not about any day or any week or any month. It's about overall what we plan on doing and the value that we plan on adding to others and to investors and so forth. Anyway, so that's the 1-hour chart. We're looking right here at the 36.90 level. We need to break that. We need to break through after that 36.60 level, and then we got the lows there that we can approach. In terms of the 30-minute chart, okay, we see that we're starting to break down through the green and yellow, the last half hour lines, and we're sitting on, it looks like we're just above the first support line, and we got 2 more under that. So we're looking at all those targets, the 36.80 target after we break through the 36.90, and then the 70, and then the 60, and then the low. So that's what we're looking at in 30-minute. Okay, in terms of the 10-minute chart, we see that we look like we're under all the moving averages at the moment except the red. The red is around 36.80. We need to break that as well. But you see this, again, this roller coaster ride. Look at that. Roller coaster rides, ups and downs, and it's been an interesting market. Okay, 5-minute chart. Okay, we see that we are under all the moving averages here, and we're looking to go through 3682 or 3680 like we said, and then after that point we're looking at that 3650 level to take out that level. 3-minute, we are again very roller coasterish. You see that? Imagine going on a roller coaster, going those highs, those ups, those downs. It would be a thrilling ride, wouldn't it? Okay, so 3-minute chart, we're looking again. We need to take out that 3690 level, then the 3680 level, and then from that point on, we're talking about same levels like 3650 and then 3640 and so forth. Okay, and then the 1-minute chart, last but not least. Okay, the 1-minute chart, beautiful formation. We see that we went through all of the lines. We went through support, we went through the green, the yellow. We just got close to the support, one of the support lines, and now it looks like we're going back down, and we're about to take out the 80. I believe it's the 87, 86 level. So we'll have to see what happens there. All right, that's the story right now. We're down actually about 0.81%. We have one order so far for the day. We are went in at 36. 36, let me see, where did we get in? We got in at 36.85 and a half at 9:37 a.m. and we have our stop at 37.02 and a half. All right. Alrighty, we were stopped out at 37.02 and a half this Wednesday, December 16th, 2020. So December 16th, 2020, 3:20 p.m., 37.02 and a half. What ended up happening, real quick, is the market was heading down, and then it had a huge rally after the Fed announcement. First it had a sell-off, and then it had a rally, and now it looks like it's going back down. So we're going to go short for the second trade, and that will probably be our last trade of the day. Well, we are running out of time. It's 3:35, so here we go. We're entering the short. Okay, and we are filled. We are short 5 at 37.03 and a quarter. December 16, 2020. Wednesday, December 16, 2020, 3:35 p.m. And then in terms of our stop, we're going to put in a stop at, we'll put it in at 37.11 and a half. That's going to be our stop. All right, let's see where the market takes us. Alrighty, Wednesday, December 16th, 2020. Today's my mama's birthday, so I did get a little caught up. It's not an excuse, I take responsibility. I just didn't get out of the market. I'm still in the trade, so I'm gonna get out of it now, okay? Here we go, I'm getting out of it. Let's get out. Okay, here we go, voila, boom, we're out of it. Okay, so I'm back at $145,576.70 of equity today, Wednesday, December 16th, 2020. This may go on tomorrow's trading because the market's closed at 4:15 and whatever. So long story short, I'm at 145,000, and we're doing the extended version of the 30-day challenge, and it's going to continue at least till the end of the year, December 31st, and maybe into the new year unless we go live soon. Either way, we're committed, and we plan, and we're so happy and grateful now for what we're going to accomplish, which is to go back to the heights of this challenge. Even though the market's been a roller coaster ride and it's been a very interesting kind of market, and we're going to go back to the heights of 168, 170, and we're going to hit our goal of 200 or 250 before we close out this challenge. Okay, that's the story. We keep it transparent, I'm not here to tell you, oh yeah, I do great every day and I'm the best. No. I'm here to keep it real. And I'm here to show you what we do, the good, the bad, the ugly. We had days we were up 10 grand, 15 grand. We were days we were down 5 grand. We were a few days ago, we went from 141,000 to 154,000, more than that. Now we're back at 145,000. It's volatile, it's fine. It's not about what happens day to day and so forth. It's about overall, what's our trend and how do we trade? So in long story short, 145,576.70 is where we're going to start tomorrow, Thursday, and we're going to build it up. All right, guys, have a great night. Be well. Sending you love.